3, 2, 1.
Which economic indicator measures the percentage of the labor force that is unemployed? The answer is D, unemployment rate. What are typically arranged into complex tubular networks with extensive surface areas? The answer is B, transport epithelia. Who holds the record for most Nobel Prizes won by an individual? The answer is B, Marie Curie. What is Vin Diesel's real name? The answer is D, Mark Sinclair Vincent. What is an instance of carnivores only eating animals? The answer is C, Tyrannosaurus rex devouring a pterodactyl. Which would be the most important to consider when selecting material for the walls and ceiling of a concert hall? The answer is D, acoustical properties. Which book is set in an unnamed city and follows the life of Muezzalt? The answer is D, The Stranger. In the comedy movie Norbit, what business are the Lattimores in? The answer is A, construction. Minerals form when they precipitate from hot fluids that have done what? The answer is D, cooled down. Which author wrote All Quiet on the Western Front? The answer is D, Erich Maria Remarque. A kilt is a traditional clothing for men in which country? The answer is C, Scotland. Who broke the record for highest bungee jump in 2016? The answer is A, A.J. Hackett. What is the electric potential difference between 2 points that would make 1 coulomb of charge do work of 1 joule? The answer is A, 1 volt. Upon ovulation, the oocyte released by the ovary is swept into where? The answer is D, uterine tube. What is the group of all the eukaryotes that are not fungi, animals, or plants called? The answer is D, protists. What is the time zone observed in Hawaii and most of Arizona? The answer is C, Pacific Standard Time. Who created the sculpture of David with a sling in his hand?
The answer is A, Michelangelo.
What is the world's tallest statue of Buddha? The answer is A, Buddha Park giant Buddha statue. What is the economic theory that supports minimal government intervention in the economy? The answer is D, laissez-faire economics. Charles Darwin was neglecting his studies at the University of Edinburgh, so his father sent him to Cambridge to get a Bachelor of Art degree as the first step towards a profession. The answer is B. Priests. Which sports equipment helps athletes jump higher and run faster? The answer is D. Athletes' shoes. An earthquake is caused by sudden shifts in which of the following layers of Earth? The answer is B. Crust. What television network carried the show Bosom Buddies? The answer is D. ABC. What force is needed to help stop a child from slipping on ice? The answer is B. Friction. Which sport uses a cue to hit a ball? The answer is C. Billiards. What do you call the energy that must be overcome in order for a chemical reaction to occur, or the minimum energy required to start a chemical reaction? The answer is A. Activation energy. I'm a king who had 6 wives. Who am I? The answer is A. Henry Roman VIII of England. In which of these hairstyles the sides and back of the hair are kept short, while the front is kept long and combed forward? The answer is C. Devilock. It is generally considered that Santa Claus was a real person who lived in Myra in about 400 AD. In which present-day country is this place located? The answer is D. Turkey. Which space probe was the first to visit both Uranus and Neptune and to take detailed images of those planets? The answer is C. Voyager 2. After rubbing a rubber brush on wool, Gilbert is able to use the brush to pick up small strips of paper. What causes the paper to be attracted to the brush? The answer is C. Static electricity. Alicia Silverstone made her acting debut in a commercial for which of the following products? The answer is B. Pizza. Which type of double bond has a sigma bond and a pi bond? The answer is C. Carbon-oxygen bond. What California city is the setting for the 1953 science fiction classic Phantom from Space? The answer is A. Santa Monica. What is the legendary winged horse of Greek mythology? The answer is A. Pegasus. What is the lowest energy state of the atom called? The answer is D. Ground state. Which American car brand is known for its convertibles with a retractable hardtop? The answer is C. Chrysler. What is a kitchen utensil used for mixing and stirring? The answer is C. Whisk. An electric transformer connects 2 circuits with an iron core that becomes what? The answer is A, electromagnet. What substances are secreted by specialized cells usually located in endocrine glands? The answer is C, hormones. Vectors along the same line can be what to one another like ordinary numbers? The answer is A, added. What does the word WAN mean? The answer is D, pale. Which ocean has the most diverse marine life? The answer is C, Indian. Who won the 2018 NBA championship with Golden State Warriors? The answer is B, Stephen Curry. What does the Christian holiday Corpus Christi commemorate? The answer is C, the Eucharist. What kind of creature was Buckbeak from the book Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban? The answer is C, hippogriff. Who created the World Wide Web? The answer is B, Tim Berners-Lee. What is the major cause of seasonal changes? The answer is A, tilt of the Earth axis. What is the name of the compound CaCO3? The answer is B, chalk. Under what circumstances do Charlie's parents meet in the novel Firestarter?